This tutorial is about how to configure Visual Studio Code with Python so that you can run the Python file here. So for that I'm using going to run Python 3. So I have Python 2 and Python 3. So first need to find out the location of Python, which is here. So we are going to use this thing later. Now before that we need to install a package called Python. It's provided by Microsoft. So once you install the package, go to View, Terminal, and type this command python 3 venv, then venv. So we are actually asking Python to create a virtual environment for us. venv is short for virtual environment. So when you press enter, it will create a folder for us, and now it created the folder. It created a virtual environment, but we cannot use it at the moment. To use it, we need to activate the virtual environment. So for that, in a virtual environment folder there is a script called activate. So we need to say source venv bin activate. So we are calling this script. So when you press enter, you will see we are now inside a virtual environment which is using Python 3. So it's very important that you have to make sure that this venv shows every time. So if it doesn't show, you have to run this command to go to the virtual environment. So now we are in Python 3 virtual environment. You can see that now it is saying we are in Python 3.7.5. So if we here I'm going to, let's say, going to use a request Python package. For that we need to install this request package. So we need to say pip install requests. So it will install this package under lib site packages. You can see it installed this package. So also, like we can see that we just say pip, we do not say pip3. Doesn't matter because the environment is already set up to Python 3. So if you type pip3, it will also work. So but when you type pip, it is actually calling pip3, so it doesn't matter here. So now we have this file and we already set up the virtual environment and how to run this file. So we can right click on this one, and the packages that we install, Python package, it will give us the shortcut here. It's called run Python file in terminal. So when you click this thing, it will run this file and print this output hello world. So we can run this Python file in another way. For that we need to install a package called code-runner. So once you install this package, we need to go to the preference settings and go to the user settings and click the JSON settings. Here we need to write the path of Python first. So we already know the path of Python is this because we run this command which Python 3. So we run this, we type this path, And then in code runner, it actually, you can use it for other programming languages also, but here let me just show you for the Python. So for Python, we are saying that go to this path and run the file. So it will get the file name here. And when you say this thing, it will, when you install this package, it will also install this button. So when you click it here, it is showing this output. You can notice that it doesn't show anything else. Like previously, it was showing us all those things here, because there are two settings here where I said like clear the previous output, and we also don't want to see the file path and other things. So it will give us a very clean output when you run this thing here. Now some extra tips, like if you want to see the icons like this, you can install a package called this package, and it will give you these wonderful icons, and you can sort it out, sort the imports, because it is right now the form should be before requests. So for that, we can just go and go to view, and we run this command sort imports. So then you can see that it sort the import for us. Also we can auto format this Python file. So there is a things called format document. So when you click format document at the first time, it will ask you like which package you want to use to format this thing. So we can use auto pip 8 to format the Python file. So just click yes. So it will install the Python auto pip 8 for us. And as a result, like if I say format document, now you'll see that it formatted this document, and now you can save this file. So I will put these lines in my description, and you can copy paste from there, and you need to make sure that it in your computer whatever the path name is showing here, to make sure that it is there. If it doesn't match, then it will not work. So yeah, and yeah, that's it.